Hello, in front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode. First, we need to open a quick panel on our phone. To do it, simply swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice, so 1, 2, to open the quick panel, and then swipe left on the screen to go to the next page. On this page, you should see the stamina mode icon. This is the power saving mode, simply called different. So we can tap on this icon to enable the mode, like this, and now the power saving mode is enabled. You can tell by the battery icon turning orange, I believe. You can also tell by the background turning dark, basically, and also the icon changing the color. And to disable the power saving mode, simply open the quick panel and tap on the icon again, like this. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the battery settings, and here we have the stamina mode. We can tap on it to enter, and we can change a couple of things. We can set up a schedule for the power saving mode, so if you tap on set as schedule, then tap on based on percentage. Here you can change the percentage by swiping on a slider, and once you set it, for example, to 15%, when your battery reaches the 15% or below, the power saving mode will turn on automatically. That's how it works. And next option is turn off when charged. So basically, if the battery reaches the 90%, the power saving mode will turn off automatically if you enable this option. If not, it won't. And next we have turn on now button. So if you tap on it, it will enable the mode. And if you tap on turn off now, it will disable it. And last option is stamina level. And you can tap on it, and here you can select a battery time preferred or balanced power saving. If you select battery time preferred, it will restrict more things, but it will save more battery. And if you select balanced, it's gonna try to balance things out and restrict less things rather. Okay. And that's how you enable and disable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.